This this is my father, Nusira. This is my mother, Hilaria. Muslimin is the first child. Marcus is the second child. Cici Diana Ayang is the third child. Susanto is the fourth child. Anita Laura is the fifth child. Muslimin married to has four children named Florian, Berto, Bertie, and Embum. Cici married to Yogi and his has child named Gabe. Anita married to Elias.